Behind me is a 2 double bedroom, fully furnished apartment ready for tenants to move in straight away. Situated on Cheddon Road, just a 5-minute walk to Taunton town centre. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord and you have a similar property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.